monitors, and PC are all personal devices. These devices are used in different settings for various purposes. Click the cube of the space you want to stay in. Boasting a large screen and an ultra-lightweight body, LG Gram is now available in new and more diverse choices. The fun of being able to do everything anywhere starts by creating your own 16x10 large screen laptop and choosing from a selection of trendy colors and diverse sizes. In 2021, all the LG Gram products are applied with a 16x10 aspect ratio, so you can see and do more on one screen. See the difference for yourself. The LG Gram screen is larger, but it still boasts an ultra lightweight. Compare how light it is to the other things you carry. Since LG Gram has a long-lasting battery, you can run around all day without the power cable and not worry about charging. Experience a busy day with your LG Gram.